Hey, what's up people? Welcome to the channel again. This is your boy Rally B Ride. Yeah, it's a monsoon ride. As you can see, it's raining heavily. I've worn a jacket and the Rhinox pants, and we've got Freddy over here on his Renegade Commando. What's up, Freddy? Say hi to the guys.
Hello people, how are you all?
So yeah, today's ride will be slow. These are the two bikes that we are taking for today, and this is the traffic. That's the monsoon. See you guys on the flip side.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming.
There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Are you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Are you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back?
We are at McDonald's Asangao, and we just had our coffee and our breakfast. I'll show you the bikes. That's the bikes parked over there.
You ain't gonna make it, you ain't never ever gonna break it. You can never beat them and they're better than you, face it. Thinking that they give a damn, you're not thinking straight, kid. No, they don't give a damn, you got what I'm saying? I'm not fucking playing, I'll give it to you straight, man. There's too many others and you're not that great, man. Stop what you're saying, stop what you're making. Everybody here knows that you just faking. Nah, I don't wanna hear it anymore, I don't wanna hear it anymore. All these fucking thoughts, they are not what I need anymore. I'm about to shut the motherfucking door on all you poor ass haters with your heads in the clouds, talking out loud so proud. You better shut your goddamn mouth before I do more speak out. It's about to head south.
Never gonna make it. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Are you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Are you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back?
Heading back on the highway, going towards Igatpuri now. We just stopped for some vada pav at that location. Alright, so this is a beautiful Kasara Ghat, and as you can see, there's all clouds over there. It's full of cloud cover. Yeah, it's just been raining a week in Mumbai and already the landscape has changed. There's some waterfalls that will be around. I'm not sure if you can hear me or if there's too much of wind noise, but yeah, we decided to just come towards Kasara, towards Vihigaon, as Fred also had some work at his place, and we thought why not visit Vihigaon, which is maybe like 30 minutes away from where he stays. When I called home, Mom told me that it's raining heavily, but you know, the weather over here is so beautiful that you wanna stay back over here. But yeah, I mean, you have to get back home, you have to get back to reality. And not sure if the GoPro is doing justice to that view right there, but that's a beautiful Kasara Ghat. I mean, it's just below Igatpuri. So once you cross Kasara, that's Igatpuri. We'll be taking this little left that is on just while we climb Kasara Ghat, just a kilometer away. Whenever it's a tunnel, you know what time is it? It's rev bomb time. Okay, rev bomb in 3, 2, 1. But yeah, once you take that little exit from Kasara Ghat, you head straight, you come to this place that's called Vihigaon. So there's a waterfall over here that you can visit during the monsoons, and they've got some water sport activity over here. They've got some water rappelling. Then there's a lake that's up ahead. So yeah, I think so. The GoPro battery is not yet dead, so hopefully I can capture. Oh, this place has changed. There's a lot of speed breakers that have been, put on the road. So I believe, yeah, this is the waterfall. So this is where the waterfall is, but unfortunately, since the rivers are not yet full, so the waterfall is dry. I mean, there's just a small stream. I'm not sure if you can see it on the GoPro, but we can just go ahead on the lake. Alright guys, I'm not sure if you can hear me or if there's a lot of wind noise, but we finally managed to reach the lake, and if you can see the surrounding, I'll just pan around. Look how beautiful this is. I think so I should take you to the lake. Although the lake isn't full because it's just the start of the monsoon, so it is pretty dry. I mean, I've never seen this lake so shallow, but it's not even been a week, and obviously the lake kind of dries out because I think so this water comes to Mumbai. Let me show you the lake, guys. I mean, it's now a river. Normally the water is right up till there. You can see the tree line over there. The water is right up till there, but now the water has gone very deep. I'm not sure if you can see, there are a few people over there which look so tiny. I mean, this is obviously like more than 150 feet deep. So that's it, guys. Just spend some time over here, take some good pictures, and we'll be heading home. Right now it's about 2 o'clock. The last that I'd called mom, she told me that it's raining heavily in Mumbai, but as you can see, there's no rains over here. So we are lucky kind of to shoot, to remove the cam and to shoot everything out. Yeah, I mean, this place is just like 100 kilometers away from Mumbai, so if you guys get a chance, you might want to come to this place, this location. It's called Vihigaon, which is just before Igatpuri. As soon as you start climbing the Kasara Ghat, there's a small left, that goes under the railway track, and about a few kilometers inside there's this place. So there's a waterfall over there, but unfortunately the waterfall is also dry because there's not much water. The lake is also dry, and that's it. I'm not sure if you can see, there's a small little white water rapid over there, so that's creating all that noise. If I could, I'll zoom, not zoom, if I could, I'll show you the other side also. There's some staircase made that you can go right up till here. Normally the water is somewhere around till this level, up to this level, as far as I know, but as you can see, it's all gone. I mean, it's just a small stream right now. I mean, the water level is that low. There's some folks fishing over there. I mean, I'm sure you cannot see them, but look at the view, guys. Oh fuck, there's a drop over here. I'm not sure if you can see, but if you drop your cell phone over here, it goes straight down. So make sure you're not handling your cell phone while on the bridge. What the fuck? So once again, guys, this is Vihigaon. Hope you guys liked the video. My memory is almost full, so I wanted to record on the way back home, but unfortunately I cannot. So I'll be ending it over here. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you like the video, do press that like button. If you comment on the video, I'll be replying to all your comments below. And do share, do subscribe to my channel. That's more important. And I'll be getting a lot more of these videos, taking you around to places. It takes a lot of effort to make such videos. So I hope you guys at least enjoyed so far, and stick around for more such content. In the meanwhile, see you. Cheers. Ride safe. So guys, as you can see, this is the fog of Igatpuri. I mean, you cannot see anything ahead. Like, yes, it's very important to keep your headlights switched on. It's very important to keep your parking lights on. There is nothing visible. As you can see, that's Kasara Ghat. It's completely covered with fog. Yeah, we will click a few pictures over here and then head home. Stop for some food in the meanwhile. I don't think so. I'll remove my camera because it's raining. How's the weather, Freddy?
Weather is awesome. It's crazy. You seen that Chutia and the fucking Tavera?
Yeah.
Like a cunt, he was fucking honking.
First he wanted to overtake us near the lake. There's no space. I saw the car, no, then I gave him side. He went to overtake, he saw the car, he had to slow down. Then he overtook and then he's riding slow. Then when we overtook, then his gand mein charbis came.
There were two of them, no, inside?
Two of them they were. Chutias. This is the location, guys. Kasara Ghat, Igatpuri. Can't take out our cell phones and click a picture because it's raining. It's completely under cloud cover, and yeah, this is all clouds, guys.
Kasara Ghat. Nobody can see it. That's my rally.
Okay, as you can see, this is all covered in cloud. Yeah, there's nothing visible, and this is Kasara Ghat. so you cannot see the curves. It's very important that you ride slow. If you notice, my parking lights are on so that vehicles from behind know that I'm present. My headlight is on. I've in fact put on the high beam so that cars ahead know that I'm overtaking. What a beautiful place, guys. What a beautiful place. I mean, I've done this ride so many of a time, but you know, this place is completely different. I think I've rarely done a ride to Igatpuri during the monsoon. Yeah, I've done it like maybe 10 years ago during the monsoon, but my monsoon rides are always towards Lonavala or Malsej Ghat. But it's good to be at Igatpuri also. And that's the worst fuck up. The worst fuck up. Here they put breakers ahead. And that too they put these rumblers. I'm not sure if you can see this, but this is the beautiful Kasara Ghat. I think so. We will click some pictures over here at Kasara Ghat. No doubt it's raining, but
That's the my bike.
yeah, the radiator fan, no. Wait, sit. Take a picture of me now if you don't mind.
I mind.
Fuck off.
But really, okay, you can.
अरे radiator fan bro, radiator fan.
That noise comes out.
हाँ, radiator fan का when the bike gets heated, no, the radiator fan kicks on. So that is the fan का sound.
But the bike is off now.
हाँ, so when you switch it off, no, it works just for a little while, and then it goes off. It's not yet coming. It's not coming.
It's gone off now.
हाँ.
Standing, no?
हाँ, standing. I'll sit on the bike now. From here also, no. From here, click. Well, bro.